number 1. Laramie Kate, a very happy birthday with lots of love from Grandma and Sparky as she's going to party on in Cherryvale.
All right, and in Columbus, Avery Soper turning 14 years old. Happy birthday, Avery.
Landon Martin with a 15th birthday. Landon, a very happy birthday. I want you to enjoy your special day in Riverton.
All right, in Chanute, Mariah Dyson celebrating birthday number 23 this year.
Josie Rittenauer had a birthday yesterday. We'll continue to celebrate it, Josie. She is in Pittsburgh.
All right, and we've got Ryan Olson here in Chanute. There with little Hazley Joe, turning 24.
Got a continuation of a birthday as well for one Michael Miranda. Michael is celebrating his 37th. And Michael, this birthday wish comes with love from Mom and Dad. He is in Joplin.
Out in La Harpe, Kansas, Kristen Splector turning 45 years old this year. Happy birthday, Kristen.
Our good friend Dottie Horn is celebrating her 64th birthday. Blessed she is. And Miss Horn is in Chanute.
All right, Jimmy Jones celebrating the big 8-0 this year. Looking great there, Jimmy, in Fort Scott.
Big party celebration in Carl Junction. On the left there is Kelsey Allen. And then the gentleman on the right, that happens to be Kelsey's husband, Clinton. Now get this. Birthday for Clinton was yesterday. Kelsey's is today. Separated by one day, and they were both born in the same hospital. So they actually spent time together before they spent time together. A very happy birthday to both Kelsey and Clinton. And Beverly Rockmeyer, she has a birthday in the bus. Miss Beverly, a happy birthday to you. And Pete Willie, or should I say the Honorable, because he is the former mayor of Mulberry and also a former firefighter. Mr. Willie, a happy 77th birthday as he still resides in the place that he once looked after in Mulberry. A happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. That's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website at KOAMNewsNow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
Sure, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Here's a look at what's coming up.